Today's video is something very, very special for all of us. Right now, this session is not about you. This is not about me. This is for those people in Kashmir, in the Pahalgam area who've gone through a lot of injury, a lot of deaths, a lot of suffering because of the terrorist attack that happened over there. Sometimes the best way to receive energy from the universe is not to ask, but to do what? Just give. And that's what we want to do today. Let's give a lot of healing to those people there using the power of hope. No. Hands on your heart. Just do what I'm saying and you will feel the energy of giving. I'm going to play a very powerful music for you right now, which is 432 hertz music. This is a healing music which has a very specific healing vibration that works directly at your heart. We use this many times in the Hope No Healing Certification course. All you need to do is take a seat, hands on your heart right now, listen to the music, and whatever I'm saying, simply say it with me. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to start the music now. Okay. I hope you're able to hear my voice and music clear. Just give me a quick thumbs up. Awesome. Now hands on your heart. Try to close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, first, for a few seconds, I want you to relax your energy. Just listen to the music. Focus on your breathing. And now repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for everything that happened in Pahalgam. Because at the energy level, we are all one. I take 100% responsibility for anything that I am feeling for those people over there. Because at the energy level, we are all one. I take 100% responsibility for feeling bad for those people. Because at the energy level, we are all one. I am sorry for whatever I have done, consciously or unconsciously, that created this incident in Pahalgam. I am sorry for feeling bad and being so hurt that I am not able to pass healing energy to them. I am sorry for being stuck in my energy, in my emotions, instead of focusing on what I can do for them. Please forgive me, universe, for being so selfish, to only focus on my emotions right now. Please forgive me for whatever I have done consciously or unconsciously that has created this incident. Please forgive me for not using my magical powers for healing them for so long. Thank you, universe, for giving me the power now to send them magical healing. Now think about those people over there. Think about those families that got impacted. And imagine them surrounded by beautiful white light energy and say, thank you for healing. Thank you for healing. Thank you for healing. I love you. And I send you loving, healing energy. I love you. And I send you loving, healing energy. I am with you. We are all with you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now imagine not only the families that got impacted, but imagine people at home who got the news and got impacted. Think about them. Surround them by beautiful white light energy right now and say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now I want you to imagine it's been more than 1 year to this incident and they have healed and they're becoming stronger in life. Now imagine it's been more than 5 years to this incident and their healing is complete and they are moving on in life. And now when they remember this incident, they remember their loved ones who have passed on with peaceful healing energy. With peaceful healing energy. Once again, think of them peaceful, healed, and say it again. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Slowly open your eyes. And now imagine that they are taken care of by the universe. Are you willing to believe that? This is all you need to do right now. Believe that you have transferred that healing energy to them and believe that you are healed by that energy right now by the power of hope. No. That's all you need to do.